Do you know the biggest reason people stay broke even when their income increases, and they feel like they're financially improving? It's not poor budgeting. It's not a low salary. It's something much simpler. Credit card mistakes people make every single day without even realizing it. And today, I'll reveal the 5 credit card mistakes silently keeping you poor and exactly how to fix each one before your next billing cycle. There was a study in the US that showed most people who drown in debt don't become broke overnight. They become broke $5, $10, and $30 at a time, slowly. Credit cards make you feel like you're spending nothing until the bill hits like a punch. This is the breakdown people wish they learned in school. Mistake number 1, paying only the minimum. The credit card minimum payment is a trap. It's designed to keep you in debt for years. If you owe $1,000 and only pay the minimum, it can take 5 to 7 years to clear. Fix. Pay in full, or at least 3 times the minimum. Mistake number 2, treating the credit limit as money you have. If your limit is $5,000, that is not your money. It's borrowed money with interest. Poor people see a credit limit as free spending. Rich people see a credit limit as risk. Fix. Use only 10 to 20% of your credit limit. Mistake number 3, ignoring interest and fees. Most people never read their statements. Late fees, balance transfer fees, cash advance fees, interest, penalty APR. These eat your wealth silently. Fix. Set autopay and read your monthly statement. Mistake number 4, using one card for everything. When all your spending is mixed together, groceries, online shopping, bills, subscriptions, fun spending, you never know what's killing your budget. Fix. Use a 2-card strategy. Card 1 for essentials. Card 2 for lifestyle. Instant clarity. Mistake number 5, carrying debt into the next year. Poor people roll over credit card balances every year. Rich people never carry old debt into a new year, because interest compounds against you. Fix. Follow the New Year debt-free rule. Clear all credit card debt before December ends. If you watch till the end, I promise you, these 5 fixes alone can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. This video will pay you more than any financial course ever could. Credit cards do not make people poor. People become poor because they treat credit cards like income. Your credit card isn't the enemy. Your habits are. Master these 5 habits, and credit cards become a tool, not a trap. Which of these 5 mistakes do you think you're making right now? Drop a number in the comments. Let's be honest. And if you haven't watched my video on 10 poor versus rich money habits, make sure you watch that next, because your habits decide how fast you escape debt. And if you want to master personal finance step by step, subscribe now. I'll guide you every single week.